Namaste children, Shweta here. Let me start today's class. Today we will learn chapter 4 Basic Geometrical Idea. It is a new chapter, Basic Geometrical Idea. What do you mean by geometry? See, you already learned about what do you mean by arithmetic and algebra. Now in this class let me start what do you mean by geometry. See, geometry is also a branch of mathematics which deals with study of shapes, ideas, angles. Means, see, geometry it is also a one of the branch. You are studying in this so many shapes. You are studying ideas, angles. So many things we are learning here. So that is called as geometry. See here, geo means earth, metron means measurement surrounding what and all is there that things we are measuring. So geometry, here some basic terms are there in geometry that you have to learn. What are the we are going to learn in this chapter now means, what do you mean by point, line, line segment, ray, angle, and intersecting lines, perpendicular lines, and parallel lines. These are the basic terms, basic ideas which you have to go into learn. See, point. A point is an exact location in space or flat surface. See, in a flat surface, it is an exact location. For example, if you take a sharp pencil, so you keep it on a flat surface, there it will be a point. Or a needle, tip of the needle, or tip of the nail. These are all the examples of a point. What do you mean by line? A line is a collection of points that contains forever in both the direct, continuous forever in both the direction. See, line is a collection of points. See, in a line, so many points are there. If you're going and joining the points, it is a collection of points, and it is having if you both the direction it will be endlessly it will be goes on. So a line is a collection of points that contains forever in both the continuous forever in both the direction, right? It does not stops, it extended in both the direction. What do I mean by line segment? A line segment is a part of line. You know that children's line cannot you cannot measure, but line segment you can measure. See, this line segment is a part of line. You know that in the name itself, segment. Segment means cutting. You are cutting. So that is the reason in the line segment is a part. So a line segment is a part of line with two endpoints. How many endpoints are there in line segment? There are two endpoints. Ray. A ray starts from one point and extended in one direction forever. See, a ray starts from one point and in another point it extended in endlessly. See, a ray is having only one end point. So it another direction it will be extended endlessly. Understood? Sun rays and bulb. So many rays it can be fall. So these are all the examples of ray. Angle. What do you mean by angle? An angle is formed when two rays share an endpoint. See, angle how it can be formed. Two rays meet at one point. So then it will be angle will form. Right? Intersecting lines. Intersecting lines means intersecting lines are lines that pass through the same point. See, two lines that pass through one same point means that line you call it as intersecting lines. Okay. And perpendicular line. Perpendicular lines are lines that intersect at right angle. See, perpendicular lines always intersect at right angle. It intersect is most important. It intersect at right angle. So right angle means how many degree? 90 degree. Always perpendicular line intersect at 90 degree. That is 90 degree means it is perpendicular lines. Parallel lines are the lines that never intersect. Parallel lines does not touch each other, does not intersect each other. Then that two lines, you call it as parallel lines. Those lines which does not intersect each other, that line you call it as parallel lines. You can see, observe here, point. What do you mean by point? You can observe, see the examples. I already told definition. See, a sharp edge is known as point. Line. You can see the road lines, they are marked by using the white paint, so road can extend it endlessly, right? So that is a line in both the direction, in the back side also, front side also, it will be extended. So line example. And line segment, you can see the bridge, they are constructed the bridge in the water, so it is only a small part of the bridge. How much the river is, that much they will construct the bridge. So it is line segment example. Ray. See, you can see the ray. Sun rays falls on that man. So that is a ray. Angle. The clock also best example for angle. Or here two arrow marks they are marked. See, you can see. So that two arrow marks that is touch each other at one point. Their angle will form. Intersecting lines. Intersecting lines means, you can see in the example, two men are fighting using the sword. See, the two men sword they are keeping like cross. So the two swords are touch each other at one point. So it is intersecting lines. And perpendicular lines, you can see example here. See, this is a perpendicular line. All the angles are equal to 90 degree. And parallel line, see, this girl is standing parallelly, see, parallel, standing on the parallel lines. You can observe the two lines does not touch each other. And perpendicular line best example is, here you can see, you are standing on the floor or flat surface, and that uh, flat surface and you are standing, both are perpendicular to each other. And one more, the electric poles and electric wires are perpendicular to each other. Now we will start exercise 4.1. Use the figure to name. See, figure they only given. You only thing you have to, by seeing that figure, you have to name. You have to name which are the 5 points in that figure, which are the lines in that figure, which are the four rays, which are the five line segments. Let me see. See, which are the 5 points in this figure? See, D, E, O, B, and C. They are marked using point, right? So 5 points are this. And which are the line? Here in this figure, which one you call it as line? You can call OB as a line. No, line can extend it in both the direction, it should be arrow mark. So db is a line. So the line can represent by using this symbol. The line small line you have to write upon the name of that line. So here BD is a line, DB is a line, or DB or BD both are same. So a line DB or BD, but arrow mark is most important. A line BD or DB, both are same. Both side you have to write the arrow mark. If both side if you write the arrow mark, then it is understood it is a line. A line BD. Four rays. Which are the four rays in this? See here, OD1 ray, right? OD1 ray. How you represent a ray? See, like this. One side arrow mark. OD one ray, OB one ray, OC one ray, and OE. See here, O is the one point, so many rays it can be pass. So OE, OB, OD, OC. These are the rays. 5 line segments. If you represent a ray as like this, two arrow marks, it understood it is a line. So here line is not OC. OC is a ray. So you have to represent like this only. Ray. 5 line segments. Which are the 5 line segments? DE one line segment and DO one line segment or OD. OD one line segment. Line segment you have to draw a bar. OC one line segment and OB. See, these are the line segments. Name the line given in all possible ways, choosing only 2 letters at a time from the 4 given. See, 4 names there, 4 points they are given. A, B, C, D. You have to name the lines in this. How many possible ways it can be present? See, AB, you can name AC, AD, BA, BC, BD, CA, CB, CD, DA, DB, DC. These are the possible ways you can name the line by using ABCD. See, these are the names you can represent. Use the figure to name. See, you have to use this figure. You have to name a line containing point A. See, in this figure, which line containing a point A? Now, first understood how many lines are there in this figure. See, AE one line, CO one line, and EF one line. 3 lines are there. See, these are all intersect at each other. 3 lines are there. That is, 2 lines intersect at each other. Here 3 lines are there. AE. Which line contain the point E? Here point E contains the line AE. In the line AE, point E is there. So answer is a line contain point E is AE. And line passing through A. Which line passing through A? Obviously AE only passing through A. And which line on which line O lies? See, in this lines, which line lies O? Obviously OC line. A OC line, in the OC line O is there. So you have to write which line it is. Line O contains OC line only. In the OC line only O is there. So you have to write the answer as OC line. The line arrow mark is the most important, children's. Line on which O lies. This over OC line. 2 pairs of intersecting lines. I already told 3 lines are there. Here two lines are intersected each other. Which are that lines? See, AE and CO. AE and CO are intersected each other. A line AE and CO are intersect at each other. These two you have to name. And which one? AF, AE, a line AE and EF. These two also intersect at each other. How many lines can pass through one given point? If they are given only one point, how many lines can pass through in one point? So many lines. Many lines can pass through one point. A single point is there, you can draw many lines. If it is two given point, only one line you can draw. See, infinitely many lines you can draw. You can pass through a given one point, but only one line can pass through 2 points. If it is 2 points, only one line can pass. Draw a rough figure and label suitable in each of the following. See, before problems, they only given the figure. You have to name. By seeing that figure, you have to name. But here, they are given the name. You have to draw that. See, point P lies on AB. AB line segment. First see the arrow mark. So it is a line segment. Now draw a line segment. Mark it as a point AB. AB is the line segment. In that point P should lies. So point P. Okay. And XY and PQ are intersect at each other. See X Y one line and PQ another line. So at intersect at M. Okay. Now see line L contains E and F but not D. Here a line L. This is a line L. It contains E and F. It contains E and F but there is no D. D is here. Okay, outside. Okay. And OP and OQ meet at O. OP and OQ meet at O. See, these are the solutions. Now, classify the following curves open or closed for. Here, which is the, you already know which is open figure and which is closed figure. Here, open figure, which are that A is a open figure, B is closed figure. Closed means B. C is open figure, D closed figure, E also closed figure. Here B, D, E are the closed figure, A and C are open figure. Consider the given figure and answer the question. Here figure they are given, you have to answer. Is it a curve? It is a curve. It is closed figure. Your question is, they are given the star. See, by seeing this star, it is a curve. Yes, it is having curves. See, it is having curve and it is also a closed figure. See, it is closed, right? This is the answer. Illustrate, if possible, each one of the following with a rough diagram. A closed curve that is not a polygon. See, you know that what do you mean by polygon? A polygon is a closed figure. It contains more than 3 line segment. Yeah, you see, triangle is a polygon because it contains 3 line segment, 1 2 3. A quadrilateral is a polygon. It is a closed figure and it contains 4 line segment. See, a polygon is a closed figure. It made up of more than 3 line segment. See, here you have to draw a rough figure and you have to illustrate. You have to explain it. The question is a closed curve that is not a polygon. See, it is a closed curve, but it is not a polygon. See, polygon means polygon only made up of line segments. Polygon only made up of line segments. See, these are all the polygons. But see, circle, you can see below figure is a closed figure but not a polygon, right? Circle is a not made up of line segments, so it is not a polygon. And open curve made up entirely of line segment. Open curve, see, it should be made up of line segment. See, it is not a closed figure but it is an open figure. It entirely made up of line segment, right? Straight only it is there. A polygon with two sides, whether it is possible a polygon with two sides? No. Always remember, polygon is a closed figure. It is made up of more than 2 line segment. See, here 2 cannot take polygon. In see, as polygon have at least uh, 3 more than 3 sides. Name the angle in the given figure. See, you have to name. You already know that. See, your name, particularly you have a name, you have a which class you are studying, which school you are studying. These are all name itself. So like that only, this figure you have to give a name. What is the name? See, they are mentioned by using the alphabets A, B, D, C. Here which are the angles? It is a closed figure and two rays meets at one point means angle can form, right? See here also angle, the corners it angle should it will be there. So which are the angles in this figure? You have to name. See, angle should represent by using this symbol. Always if you want to write the angle means you have to use this symbol. Okay. Here angle D A B. Angle DAB. Angle DAB is one angle and another angle you have to name. The middle one only, the corner one. See, angle ABC. Angle ABC and angle BCD and angle CDA. These are the angles. See, you can see in this BCD, C is the middle one. So C is angle and DAB. A you can see DAB because two rays meets at one point. If it is two rays, then only you can say it is a angle. So ABC, here you have to name this as ABC, not only B. Okay, so that is the reason you have to name like that. Here see four angles are there in this figure: DAB, ABC, BCD, CDA, and this is the represent by using it. Understood? It is an angle. By using that symbol you have to name the angle. In the given diagram, name the points in the interior of the DOA. See here DOE. In this figure you can observe D angle DOE. Where is the angle DOE? Here angle DOE. So here is the angle. In this interior angles, which are the interior means what? See, interior designs, so like that you can remember, right? Interior design means inside. So interior design is very nice, you can say like that, right? In the home, in so many interior design is very looking good. So like that you are telling, no, interior means inside part. See, inside of this angle DOE, which are the inside points? A is the inside of DOE. So A. The point in the interior of DOE is A. In the exterior of EOF, see angle. Which angle you have to see first? Angle EOF. So this is the angle. Angle EOF. So angle this. So angle EOF, which is the exterior. Exterior means outside part. C. So C and see A also outside only. For this DOE inside, but angle EOF it is outside. A angle A point is outside of this EOF. So you can write A also, and D also outside, right? If you want to see this angle only, then which are the outside? C is outside, A also outside, and D also outside. So which are the points are outside? C, D, A and D. Here O, E, F. See, E, O, F angle, A, C and D are the outside parts. On EOF, which are the interior? See, EBOF. Which are the points are there? EOF points. Draw two diagrams of two angles such that they have 1 point in common, 2 points in common, 3 points in common, 4 points in common, 1 ray in common. See, you have to draw a rough figure, two angles, such that one point is common. See here, see here you can observe angle COD. Angle COD, one angle, and angle AOB. Angle AOB, another angle. See here which point is common? O is common. Here one point is common, that is O. And two points are common, you have to draw a angle. See like this. Here O and B are the common, right? O and B are the common for this angle and this angle. You see angle AOB. You can observe here angle AOB and angle BOC. Angle BOC. See here OB are the common points for both the angles. So here two points are common. And if three points are common, you can observe here O, E and B. See here O, E and B. Here three points are common in this. Okay. A, O, B and B, O, C. See three points are common. That is O, E, B. If four points are common, A, E, D and A are the common points in B, O, A and C, O, E. See, these are the points. Draw a rough sketch of a triangle ABC. Mark a point P in its interior and point Q in its exterior. Is point A in its exterior or in its interior? See what you have to draw. You have to draw a triangle ABC. Triangle ABC and mark a point P interior. Point P interior means inside of the triangle. Interior and point Q in the exterior. Exterior means outside, anywhere, either here, either here, either here, anywhere you can write. Exterior. Is point A in its exterior or in its interior? Point A lies on the given triangle ABC. Point A, it lies neither in interior or nor exterior. See here point A, it can contain or interior or neither it is exterior, both. Identify three triangles in the figure. Write the names of 7 angles. Write the names of 6 line segments. Write which two triangles have B as common. You have to see this figure and you have to write, that's all. In this figure, the three triangles are, which are the triangles? ADB one triangle and ACD one triangle or ADC one triangle and ABC one triangle, big triangle. See, ABD one triangle, ADC one triangle and big one ABC. There are three triangles are there. You have to write triangle ABD, triangle ABD, triangle ACB, triangle ADC. See, this is the symbol for small triangle, is the symbol for triangle. This is angle single, make it as triangle, small triangle. The angles are, which are the 6 angles here? Now you have to write. See, here B A D or BAC one angle, BAC and BAD another angle, BAD small. Only if you take this only triangle ADB, then BAD is one angle. And CAD another angle, ADB, ADC, ABC and UCB are the angles. And which are the line segments here? Easily you can tell. AB one line segment, AD one line segment, BD one line segment, DC one line segment, AC one line segment and BC one line segment. And which two triangles have B as common? Which two triangles have B as common? See here, triangle ABC and triangle ABD. So triangle ABD and triangle ABC are B as common point. By seeing that figure, you have to answer. That's all, children. For exercise 4.5, draw a rough sketch of a quadrilateral PQRS. Draw its diagonal. Name them. Is the meeting point of diagonal in the interior or exterior of quadrilateral. See, you have to draw a quadrilateral PQRS. Quadrilateral PQRS. Quadrilateral means a polygon which is having four line segments. Draw its diagonal. You know that this corner to this corner points, that is, if you join the corners, it is a diagonal. Okay, name them. Is the meeting point of diagonal in the interior or exterior? See, this meeting point of diagonal is interior or exterior? It is obviously interior, right? P Here P R and QS are the diagonals. They meet at point O. It is interior of the quadrilateral. Thank you, children.